Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alright, let's jump to this week's channel shout out. Give a little pre-mix. Make sure they're not all clumped together. Make sure there's none inside. Oh, one actually fell out. There we go. Oh, cool. That's 406 Garage. He's actually down in Oregon. He does a lot of if you're a car guy, and he has a lot of internationals of various years, tow trucks, off-road vehicles. A lot of cool stuff on his channel. So I will definitely put him on the end card. You can give him a check. Pretty interesting guy, and I don't have a sticker for him, so unfortunately, I don't know if he even has stickers. Or maybe they're for sale. I'll have to look into it. But cool guy nonetheless. Well, there we go. Another great channel. I'm more than happy to do these channel shout outs every week for my brothers and sisters and channels that I watch. So all the information will be down in the description. Hopefully they work. If they don't, hopefully the end cards will work. You know, the video's usually short enough to do so. I don't know why that happens, but what are you gonna do? Anyway, there's that, and I also want to tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans. Let's not forget, also 22 a day, 22 of our veterans take their lives. Should be 0. And I'd also like to extend my appreciation to our first responders saving lives out there every day. Without you, many would be in a world of hurt. So again, I do thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.